العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Today I will be showing you guys how I make this amazing sandal chips sharing with Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for always staying with me. This is what my sandal chips looks like after making it using the most amazing simple recipe. And this is not just a normal sandal chips, this is a premium sandal chips for a premium customer. And guys, I also have triota in this type of pouches. If you would love to get some to refill, just send me a DM. So the first thing I did was to fry my trial water. After soaking it in oils, I fried this with sugar, and I have a lot of recipes on how to fry it. So check down down to my channel, just check. You're gonna see a recipe on how I fried the wood. Then I'm going to add my sandal chips. This is my sandal powder. I'm using Hemani sandal powder. I love the sandal powder so much. I love anything Hemani. Their products are actually very good. Hemani, now come on, give me PR package. I've been using your products for 5 years. Then I added this other sandal powder, and I have a mixture of two different sandal powders in the bucket. So I added it. You can just play around with the powders you have. Just make sure you're using good ingredients. Then I added my luban. You can add the different lubans we have. Then this is my furche, and I made this furche myself. I processed this furche myself. I love using furche that I make. I don't like buying the one in the market, except on rare occasions where I run out of my own and I have to make water urgently. Then I buy from the market. Then after that, I wore my hand gloves because it's super important to use your hand gloves when mixing oils, woods. You don't want to get blisters from mixing this wood, because sandal and haludi, they always give blisters when you don't handle them gently. And then you need to mix this, just make sure you mix this so that every part of the wood will get all this ingredient, like I always say. Then you can go ahead and add more sandal powder if you feel that your wood needs more sandal powder. I love using a lot of sandal powder when I'm making my water because it just makes it last long in the room. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my oil perfume. So you can basically use any type of oil perfume if you like. That's your own wish, but for me, I'm using sandal oil because I'm using sandalwood. I'm working with sandalwood chips, and this sandalwood oil will make it smell nice. It will elevate the scent. It will just give it an amazing result, and to also bring out the amazing properties of this wood, enhance the wood, and give us an amazing bakura at the end of the day. So after adding this oil, you're going to mix this very well, like very well, so that every part will get these oils. And you guys, I added 100 ml and it's still looking very dry. So I'm going to go ahead and add my moss crystals. This is my moss crystal. I grinded it into very fine powder. You can add the moss crystals before adding the oils, or you can add your moss crystals after adding the oils. Whichever one you do, whichever way you do it, it's very okay. And one thing is that just know that moss crystals is an important ingredient in making incense bakor humra. You need it. It's not like luban benzoin that sometimes if you don't even add it to your recipes, it doesn't matter, it will still give you an amazing result. You see moss crystals, you cannot skip moss crystals in your recipe. Then you're going to add more oils, because obviously your charota is not ready. Our charota is not ready, so I'm adding this amazing traditional oil. I love it so much. It smells so good. It gives this traditional nostalgic cultural vibe, like yeah, when you go to this rich auntie's house that smells amazing, looks so beautiful, everything is just so on point. This is how most of this auntie's house smell like. And yeah, so that's why I'm adding this abari. That is so nice. I love it so much. It is very good. This is one traditional oil that you can even use on your body. if you are the type that loves scent like that. Then you're going to go ahead and add more oils. That's the oils like Nasim, Almas, Surati, to give you an amazing scent. And if you are using sandal chips, try and get nice quality oils, because the wood itself is expensive, so you don't need to add oils that are very low quality. So this type of woods, they go well with oil perfumes like almas oil, nasim, and mostly surati. You see, when you add surati to it, it smells so good, give it an amazing scent. I added more center powder because I didn't like the way it was looking. So I love to use a lot of sandal powder, because sandal powder is my binder in my trial. It's in my trial water, and since we're going to keep this for some time to cure, it needs a lot of sandal powder to help hold these oils together, and then we'll be adding more oils as we keep it to store. So that's why we need a lot of sandal powder. Then this is what it was looking like. Then I still brought more sandal powder, and this is a premium trial water. This is not the everyday trial water that I have for sale. I have different recipes, but this recipe is very different. This method I'm using too is very different, and this is what my customer always likes. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And again, guys, you can order for premium sandal chips like this one, but this is currently sold out in big sizes. I also have this sandal flakes in 1 liter. You can grab this for just 25,000 naira. It is such a steal price. Just grab it. I only have one jar left. So, who is the lucky owner? And this is what our sandal chips is looking like. I'm still going to add more oils after keeping this, but I'm just showing you guys the smaller jars we have. We only got three smaller jars out of this. Then we have some old sandal chips. This one you're seeing, and you can get it for 8,000 naira. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See you guys in my next one. Bye.